Move, Cyclops, move! Come on, come on. Ah! What the fuck? Medic! Oh. You are funny, little doctor. And that's how. And his skeleton was gone. And he's never heard from again. Oh. That's why I lost my medical license. What? Archimedes, get out of here. There's filthy in there. Words. Let's get this. And most hearts can't withstand this, but let's see. Here's your. What was noise? That was honor process, my friend. Fucking kill me later. Now, let's do this. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, he scares me. Tweet. Oh, so it worked. Should I be awake for this? No. While you're doing it, open a ribcage for me. Okay. Oh, don't be such a baby. Frizz go back. No, they don't. Hoot. And now, we do this. Oh, no. I feel better now. So what next? Now, let's go practice medicine. Come on, doctor, we gotta go. Oh, lad. Does not survive. I shall reveal you. I feel much better now. Now you, Scout, get over here. Now, boing. Wahoo! Return up. Doctor, that's too much. I have no fucking idea. Ubercharge. Wow. Come on, you fat man. I am bulletproof. What the hell? Oh, I do need to be on fire. I am bulletproof. No one can kill me now.